welcome to the honorable media from India as well as from the Middle East, also from Oman, Sania Mirza, our guest and our brand ambassador, and to all the people on the dais and to my colleagues here. Well, I think today is really a historic day for the annals of the country club. I can't really believe it how time has really passed, but the fact is that we are celebrating 25 years of the existence of this concept, and which started 25 years back when absolutely private clubs were totally a non-entity and nobody really believed in that concept. So as Andre, I wish you all the luck and thank you for being here.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening. It's been a pleasure for me to be associated with Country Club. I've not said this enough, but I think we've been like family even before we were associated, in business, and it's been a great journey for me. And they've been extremely lucky for me. I'm probably at one of my best phases of my career in the last couple of years, and I feel like one of Rajiv Akbar's kids, and sitting here because me and Siddharth and Varun go a long way back. We used to play tennis together, so it's almost like family to me to be associated here. And this, coming here brings back a lot of memories, of course, for me to be, have played here when I was younger at the tennis courts and playing with Siddharth and Varun. So. Actually I've not had a chance in a long time to come and actually visit all the things, and so I think I'll do that more often. But I'd just like to thank the whole Reddy family for their trust in me, and I hope that this relationship was extremely fruitful, and we continue to be a family for much longer. So thanks to all of you for coming, and I wish the Country Club a very happy 25th anniversary.